Shanghai Papa Industrial Company Limited is professionally engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of protein bar machine, protein ball machine, small chocolate enrobing machine, cooling tunnel, encrusting machine, cereal bar machine, cookie machine, maamoul machine, and other pastry machine. We have our own affiliated factory dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our complete order process includes pre-sales and after-sales services, customer inquiry, machine recommendation, custom design, order confirmation, order manufacturing, shipping, installation, training and operations, maintenance support. We also offer layout proposals to your factory for a turnkey solution. Besides, we warmly welcome OEM and ODM orders. In addition, we have obtained CE, SGS, TUV certificates, sold well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients mainly in such regions as Europe and America, Asia and the Middle East. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.